Perhaps you're missing some tools in Affinity Photo. Suddenly you think, where's the arrow tool? It's not there anymore. Or you want to add some tools. How to do that? Go to View menu and down to Customise Tools. And you can see all of the tools there. Now I'd suggest go for number of columns and 1 so you can see all of the tools. Then simply go down here and say, oh, that's the one I want, diamond tool. And you can just drag it across. Doesn't matter if you've already got it. In fact, you can go to the diamond tool and drag it across and add it again. So you can have 2 diamond tools if you want that. Also, any of the others, just drag them there. You can also go over here, the actual tools panel, and just drag and put it maybe up there. You can move them around. You can also delete them as well if you don't want them. You can just go over here and say, oh, let's just remove that, and just drag it and it will disappear. Once you've decided you've got all the tools that you want, any of these ones, you can always quickly go over here, number of columns, and go for, say, 3. So you can set it 3 and you've got all of the tools there. If you want to restore it all back to the default, if you've made a mistake or something, go to reset. Just click there and that resets it back to the normal standard toolbar. And click close. Hope you found this tutorial of interest. Any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Thank you much.